If you've decided to sell your real estate note, you might be wondering, where do I even start? I'm Phil Gorman, and I've guided hundreds of note sellers through this process. Today, I'm going to give you a day-by-day action plan. In just 7 days, you'll be ready to approach a buyer with confidence. Let's get started. Here's your week. Follow this exactly, and you'll be ahead of the game. Day 1, gather your core documents. Today, find your original promissory note and deed of trust. Don't worry if they're not perfect. Just locate them. Look in old files, email, safety deposit boxes, or anywhere you might have stored them. Make a list of what you have. Make a list of what you're missing. That's it for day 1. Day 2, track down missing documents. If you're missing anything from day 1, payment records, tax records, insurance info, reach out to get copies. Call your loan servicer if you have one. Contact the county recorder's office to get a copy of your recorded deed of trust. Email your title company. Do this today so nothing slows you down tomorrow. Day 3, get your payment history organized. Create a simple spreadsheet or list showing every payment the borrower has made, the date, the amount, whether it was on time or late. If you have a loan servicer, ask them for a payment ledger. This document is worth its weight in gold to a buyer. It tells them the borrower is reliable. Day 4, research your property value. Do a quick online search for the current market value of the property. Check Zillow, local real estate comps, or similar properties in the area. You don't need a professional appraisal yet, just a ballpark. This helps you understand what the collateral behind your note is worth. Day 5, create your digital folder. Scan or save every document as a PDF. Create a folder on your computer labeled Note Sale Documents with the property address. Put everything in there. Promissory note, deed of trust, payment history, property insurance, tax records, everything. Name each file clearly so you know what it is. Day 6, write down your note details. Create a one-page summary, principal amount, current balance, interest rate, monthly payment, remaining term, property address, borrower name, and payment history, on time or late. This is your quick reference card. When a buyer asks questions, you'll have the answers right there. Day 7, make your first contact, reach out to a note buyer or broker. Send them a brief email. I'm considering selling my real estate note. Can you give me a preliminary quote? Include your one-page summary. That's all. No pressure. Just see what interest you get. This is reconnaissance. By the end of day 7, you'll have done the hard work. You'll have organized files, clear documentation, and a preliminary quote or two. You'll feel in control. You'll have clarity. From there, the conversation becomes easier. A buyer will want to dig deeper, and you'll be ready because you've done the prep. So there's your 7-day action plan. It's not complicated, it's just one step at a time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more actionable guidance. And check out my free report, 5 Insider Tips to Maximize the Value of Your Trust Deed Note, on the link below. I'm Phil Gorman. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.